You are horrible.
She said, you are horrible. Yours are all going over her head. You suck.
American College Test is the ACT.
Okay, let's get him and fight him. That'll be good TV. Get him and fight him.
Huh?
Get him and fight him. Get him and fight David. Get him and fight David. Oh, this is it. Oh, this is good stuff. This is good stuff.
Somebody kill you.
Zoomed in.